3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I've got a spot so big on my forehead. It feels like a bruise. Do you know that time I said to you, I was like, oh fuck, I got a really deep spot, and you just went like that, and I was like, ah! I've downloaded The Sims 3. I was up till 3 AM last night. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with my sister and we have basically gone on to Missguided and ordered each other outfits. Not on any particular premise. Is that the right phrase for it? Yep, okay. Not on any particular premise, just literally what we would like to see each other in. I know I haven't dressed you for what you would typically wear. We thought it would make a really fun video, and I also want to say a massive thank you to 21 Buttons for sponsoring this video. Wow, yes, we've got a sponsor, how exciting. I'm sure so many of you have already got the app, but 21 Buttons is basically a really cool app. It's like an Instagram that you scroll through, and Instagrammers or social media influencers or even like celebrities upload pictures of their outfits and they tag it with little buttons, and you click on that button, a photo of the clothing piece comes up and you can shop through a direct link on the app. If you have a 21 Buttons account and you set one up and you post pictures of your outfits and people buy your outfits through your account, you basically get some commission so you can earn money off it. So it's like a win-win. You get to see your Instagrammers' favourite outfits and shop them directly through the app, and you also can make money yourself. I'm also currently holding a £100 ASOS gift card giveaway with 21 Buttons, so if you click on the link down below and you go onto my profile, it will have like a little black banner which should tell you everything you need to do to enter the giveaway. A lot of Instagrammers and influencers will also upload exclusive pictures on there that they won't have on any other social media. I will leave a link in the description box to where you can download 21 Buttons. Let me know once you have, and obviously make sure you follow me. I'm going to be uploading loads of pictures on there, and I'm going to be uploading these outfits with all the tags onto my 21 Buttons account. So if you want to shop anything in this video, then you can go on over there. Right, okay, let's open it.
Okay, so my thinking was that you audibly said that you liked these shoes.
Anna, honestly, I thought she was going to have a heart attack when she was online shopping. I have never seen someone find online shopping so stressful.
I didn't enjoy it. These are shoes.
Oh my god, they're so nice. I should have shaved my toes.
Just want to clarify, I was joking before anyone thinks I've got man feet. Or maybe I do, maybe you'll never know.
They've got heels on them and it's kind of a faux snakeskin print.
Sophia and Chinzia always wear shoes like this and I'm so obsessed with them. With the square toe, I don't know anything like this. Literally all my heels are so basic and so boring. And these look like they'd be quite comfortable too, they're not too high. Also, I just want to say this video is not sponsored by Missguided, but Missguided if you do. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god, what is that?
It's a fucking lead. Why are there leads? It comes with the shoe for free.
I don't know, why is that there?
I don't know.
Why are they where? Why are they where? Oh, I think I ordered those for myself. Oh wait, is that?
I think that's a jacket. I didn't order a jacket.
No. Okay, no. Yeah, Jessie J video. But she's like, no. Okay, this is one of the first things I got for you, and this is basically a denim shirt dress.
Oh, okay.
Really nice pair of trainers, or it's like kind of distressed at the bottom. You could dress it up. It would even look really good with the heels. I got it in a size 8, so it wouldn't be too long, but you could like wear it with a belt. It needs a bit of an iron, but I know it's something that you would like never ever wear. I just see so many people in denim dresses, and I just always think they're such...
Okay. I think it's like off the shoulder, but yeah, it's like a Bardo top.
Upside down,
with long
upside down.
With like long sleeves, and it's got like super. Ooh.
And
and it's got really nice buttons.
Yeah, that's cute. I'm not up close. I'm not too sure about the pattern.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a bit intrusive and granny-ish.
Yeah, a bit curtainy. You're telling me.
Yeah, I didn't think of that. Oh my god. I got you this because I thought it would be really funny. It's like that hat that we used to have when we were really little. Oh god.
Oh yeah. Oh, Annie, you played me with this. Oh hell no! Oh, get fucked. How do you wear it? I can't see a thing. What is this?
It's like
a visor. Ow, ow. I look like I'm wearing a bonnet. Full protection.
Can you chop it up? This is kind of like a knockoff of
oh my god, I'm so excited.
Of like this Dior saddle bag that Flossie's like really into, although it's not the same colour.
No, yeah, I know. Look at that. How bloody beautiful. It's an absolute knockoff of the Dior saddle bag, which are like 2.5, 3.5 grand. I was showing my mum the other day. Just gave her a heart attack. So cute. I love it. I love little shoulder bags so much. Oh my gosh, look, and it's magnetic too. How cool is that?
When we were kids, we were like obsessed with like manufacturing errors in products.
Like in sweets,
yeah,
bag
if
sweets.
we found a manufacturing error in sweets, we'd be like, when you get those like 7 gummy bear fusions, like
you find a straw in your Star Mix, you know? It's great.
Yeah. Oh.
Simpler days, hey?
Yeah.
Next thing I got you was I also got you like a variation. I got you a white shirt dress. Because I also thought, ooh, yeah. I got Anna this white shirt dress. Basically the exact same. This is what I got you as a bag. I really enjoy this. It reminds me of a Topshop one, but it's a little bit different. Unboxing.
Why did you do this?
Because it's cute. It's a little shoulder bag. Make the strap smaller.
I don't know about this.
Yeah, to be honest, IRL.
Did I really just hear myself say IRL? You stuck in 2013 or something?
The quality is not the nicest.
Well, it's just not really my thing. I only have 2 bags, and one of them is like a Fjallraven Kanken from when I was 16 that I'm like ashamed to go out in public with. And the other one is like this tote bag that I had a nosebleed all over.
Why does it smell like foreign swimming pool? Was it Florida?
Yeah, I'm not really sure about these because they've got these like weird... They've got like
I quite like them.
these weird like cutouts. They also look really big on the leg, so maybe they'll like really flare out. I don't know. I was gonna like get you... They have these like skin tight
they're like
jeans that go down to the knee.
shorts.
It's quite big.
Oh, stop. It's kind of cute. Okay, right, so we're gonna go try the outfits on. See ya. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that looks so good. That looks so good. No, yes, it does.
I don't like it.
Yes, it does. With a pair of nice trainers. Wait, put on my heels with it and see how you feel, because I never feel good in clothes without shoes. 2 to finish it off with the hat. And look like I'm ready to go. The shorts fit like great on the waist, but the legs.
Yeah, that top is
I
as
always
nice as I
struggle.
thought it would
No,
be.
it's just I just look so.
That is horrible.
Look at me. I know. It looks like sick. It's just sick.
It's awful. I should have gone with fucking lavender. Why didn't I go with the purple that went? I guess it's got yellow in it too. No, sorry.
Oh yes.
I don't feel.
Oh Anna, that looks so good with a bit of tan on your legs. Like, and to be fair, you're paying.
Sounded like Amber then. A bit tan on your legs.
A bit of tan on your legs. No, with a bit of tan on your legs. When you feel brown, you'll feel so much better in white. I love that. I fucking love that. If you don't,
Yeah,
I
you can
help
have
you.
it.
I did buy it.
Oh yeah.
So I feel like I'm looking like a farmer.
I feel like a man in kind of half man's clothing, half women's clothing. It's like got really pissed. Yeah, the shoes are nice.
They're so good.
Wow.
However, try it on with this bag.
This way or this way?
Doesn't really matter.
I don't know.
Just put it on this way, Anna.
I'm not comfortable.
Summer's day, walking around London,
It's
easy
fucking
breezy.
short.
Put it on like that.
I think I prefer it like this.
Okay everyone, so that is the end of the video. We really hope you enjoyed it. Let us know down below whose outfit you prefer. I know whose I prefer. And obviously if you would wear any of this stuff, then no shade to you. I'm going to post a picture in Anna's outfit because I think that's the one I prefer. And I'm going to post it on my 21 Buttons. Once again, don't forget to go and download it. Another massive thank you to 21 Buttons for sponsoring this video. You guys know I've literally used the app for ages before they contacted me. And yeah, that is pretty much everything. I love you all so much and I'll see you